Welcome to the AI Interviewer Guide. This guide will walk you through the steps to use the AI Interviewer application effectively. From creating openings to inviting candidates, you'll learn how to streamline your interview process and make data-driven hiring decisions. Click on the Add Interview button. Click on the Create New Interview button. Click on the Interview Name field. Enter the name of your interview. Click to select the skills needed. You can type it or choose from the drop-down menu. Select the needed skills from the options. You can add more skills. You will see all selected skills. Click to add optional skills. You can leave this empty if you don't have optional skills to add. Click to choose the seniority. Select the seniority from the options. Choose all question types you want to have in the interview. This will add candidate-specific questions based on their resume. Select how many questions of each type. Choose if you want identity confirmation. This is on by default, but you can turn it off. Click on the Generate Questions button. The AI will take a moment to create all questions. Then you can see all questions created by clicking here. If there's a question you don't like, you can easily regenerate it. You will see your interview in the opening details. Click to go back. Now you can invite a candidate to take the interview. In this guide, you learned how to navigate the AI Interviewer application. You now know how to create openings, set interview parameters, generate interview questions, and invite candidates. With these steps, you can efficiently conduct interviews and make informed hiring decisions.